It's not just about being a ranch-to-table restaurant. We're trying to plant the seeds for a sustainable future. My name is John Cox. I'm the chef at the Bear and Star, and right now we're on the Fess Parker Home Ranch in Los Olivos, California. Here on the home ranch, you would never imagine that you're only 2 hours from Los Angeles. It's absolutely incredible. The Fess Parker Home Ranch is 714 acres. We have a working cattle ranch, we have lamb, we have an orchard, we have a whole organic vegetable garden, a mushroom cave. It's really every chef's dream. This is one of my favorite places on the entire ranch. It's a mushroom cave that we literally dug into the hillside, and it stays temperate year-round. For me, mushrooms are like living pieces of art. If you haven't had mushrooms that are harvested fresh off the block, then it's hard to explain the nuance of flavor and just that earthy, foresty essence that you get off of them. It's really spectacular. Having the ranch just 7 minutes away from the restaurant allows us to pick ingredients exactly when we want to use them and use things like the tiny pink oyster mushrooms that are usually too fragile to ship across the country or even across the city. What a lot of people may not know about artichokes is that the plant actually produces a variety of sizes. So even though these artichokes are really small, they're actually ready to harvest. One of my favorite dishes right now is the Wagyu ribeye. It's a flavor that you're not going to find if you have beef in Los Angeles or New York City. It's something you can only experience right here in Los Olivos. And as a chef, I feel it's my responsibility to take those ingredients and present them in the simplest way possible. I'm not trying to reinvent the culinary wheel. I'm just trying to bring the very best I can from the ranch. We've been part of that cattle's life, literally, since the beginning. It's one of the most important things I'll ever cook because I know how much love and how much energy went into raising that animal. You can't even describe it with words. It's just such an amazing thing and something that I never could have imagined doing as a chef. Taking this rugged environment and turning it into a refined plate is such an exciting and rewarding process. The ranch is much more than any of its components. Each part of the property works together in a holistic way so that we can create a sustainable business model. Hey, Melvin. Melvin and Lupe are fire control and our weed eaters. They can clear that whole lower area in less than 24 hours. For me, cooking is always about connecting food with the environment, and what better way to celebrate that than coming up to the top of the ranch. It's just a reminder of what we do and why we do it. Every time I come up, it's equally inspiring.